Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Tata Harrier's Harman infotainment system? These are common issues, often stemming from software glitches. Often caused by software glitches, electrical faults, or extreme temperatures. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots. If that doesn't work, a hard reset can be performed via the service menu by pressing volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Note that this will erase your customizations. Software updates are crucial. Ensure you have the latest version, 2.4.1 as of Q3 2025, either through Tata's app or at a service center. These updates address audio lag and screen freezes by optimizing the system's kernel and adding stability checks. Electrical faults or extreme temperatures can also cause these issues. If problems persist after these steps, a visit to an authorized service center for diagnostics is recommended. When basic troubleshooting fails, a Harman reset may be necessary. This can be achieved through an OTA reset via Tata's app or service center, clearing caches and updating firmware. For more advanced users, some community-driven fixes involve using a USB drive to force a bootloader recovery. Be aware that this voids warranties and carries the risk of bricking the system. Experts recommend avoiding unsupported apps and jailbreaking the system for stability. Keep in mind that older Harrier models from pre-2023 may face declining support. According to Tata's 2024 survey, 28% of Harrier owners reported infotainment issues, with frozen screens being the most common complaint. If you're consistently encountering problems, consider professional servicing. Note that 22% of fixes require dealership visits, costing owners an average $2,000 or about $24 in India. As a last resort, particularly for older models, some users opt for aftermarket Android head units.